How to link authentication application on X account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add authentication application on your X account. To do so, make sure you have created an account on Twitter or X app, and also you have installed authentication application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, tap on your X app to open it and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your home screen. By doing so, you will be able to see the side menu. At the bottom, you will need to tap on the Settings and Support option and then tap on Settings and Privacy. By doing so, you will be taken to the Settings page. Here look for the option Security and Account Access. Once you locate it, tap on it and here tap on the Security option. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you'll be able to locate two-factor authentication option. Now if you want to add extra layer of protection on your X account, you will need to enable two-factor authentication. Tap on this two-factor authentication option and by doing so you will be taken to this page. Here you'll be able to see various options or methods in order to add two-factor authentication, whether you want to use text message, authentication app or security key. As we are going to link our authentication app to our Twitter account, so here tap on the toggle button at the right side of this authentication app option and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to enter the password for verification. Tap on the password box and enter your password of your account. Once you have entered the password, tap on the confirm button right here and then in this page you will need to tap on Get Started button. Tap on Get Started and finally in this page tap on Link App option. By doing so, at the bottom you will be able to see different authentication application available on your device. Choose one of them and you will be redirected to your authentication application. Here due to security, the video is not being recorded, but you can simply follow the guidelines to do this. Once you open your authentication application, here you will be able to see this pop-up that says Add Account. Tap on this Add Account option and then give a name to your account and then tap on the Save button to save it. Once you have saved it, you will see your Twitter account has been added to your authentication application. Tap on it and inside it here you will be able to see one-time password which lasts for 30 seconds. Now you will need to enter this code in your Twitter account. Come back to your Twitter account and here enter the code. Once you have entered the code, tap on the confirm box right here and after that simply scroll down and tap on the Stone button. And after that you will see you have enabled authentication app on Twitter. So by following these steps, you should be able to add authentication application to your X account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.